Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video guys ay gagawa tayo ng PowerPoint presentation para sa aking online class reporting. So this is my first time to do a PowerPoint presentation, and if you are not yet subscribed on my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates. Okay, so let's start, and first thing to do is to click this PowerPoint app, and wait a few minutes. Okay, so as you can see, we have here different backgrounds and style. Okay, so which one is simple? So we have to choose a simple background. I think I will choose this ano ba? This slice na lang. Okay, so click this and click create. Okay, so we have now to start our PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so click to add title. So right here we have to first write the title of our topic. So ipataas. So we will adjust this para sa spacing natin, and okay, so we will go back to my module to copy my topic. So we have to click this, and okay, so as you can see guys, these are my topics. So my main topic is the strategic prospecting process. Okay, so we have to drag this title and copy and go back to the PowerPoint and paste. Okay, so we have to middle, and we have to adjust. No. The strategic prospecting process. Okay, so I think this is okay, and so the next is we have to click, so we have to adjust this for the content, for the body text. So sorry guys, this is my first time pa talaga gumawa ng PowerPoint presentation for my online class reporting. So we have to go back to my topic, and so we will drag this. Okay, so then copy, and then back to the PowerPoint presentation and paste. Okay, so it is now here. Okay, so we have to adjust we have to choose the color to make it attract, to have black, back again, the strategic prospecting manner. You have to make a space. We have to justify to align the text. Okay, and down here. Okay, so I think this is okay na. The strategy. Okay, so I think it's done, the first the introduction.
Next is generating sales leads. Okay, so we have to go first to the PowerPoint, and right here we have to add new slide. Okay, so click, and then this portion we have to cut, and then this subtitle we have to adjust it. We have to make it wide. Okay, and go back to the module, and this we have to copy this generating sales lead along the body text. Copy and go back to the PowerPoint, and right here we have to paste and paste. Adjust the text to make 20. Okay, so we have to make we have to arrange, and then the second, although more sales. Okay, so next we have to drag this all body text, and we have to make it black so we can read it very well and clear, and we have to justify it. And then this title we have to change the color to red. Okay. So this we have to make this 24. Okay, so I think it's okay. And then we have to add again new slide, and then this portion we have to cut out. Okay, then we have to adjust this to make it wide. Okay, so generating sales lead, and we have to copy the other topic. Next is determining sales prospects. Okay, so we have to copy this, and then go back to the PowerPoint, and we have to paste. Okay, so this we have to make it 20 for the title. We have to copy the other one. Control C. We arrange and then arrange. Arrange and okay, so we have to drag this all body text and change the color to black. We have to make it dark so that we can read it very well. Alright, and this body text, we have to justify to align the text. Then we have to add space. Alright, so, and then this title we have to make, change the color red. Okay, so that's it. And, okay, so, alright, okay. Okay, next is, we have to add new slide again. Okay, so this portion we have to cut out again. And then this title we have to adjust to make it wide for the body text. Okay, so next is prioritizing sales prospect. Wait. Okay, I'm back. Okay, next is prioritizing prospects. I have to copy. And then paste it here. And arrange. A little more space. Okay, and then this title we have to change to color red. Okay, and the body text we have to make it dark. Okay, and then we have to justify. Okay. We're going to make it 24. Alright. Next is we have to add new slide. The same as usual, we have to cut out this and then adjust the subtitle. And we have to copy the other topic. We have to go back to my module. And so this is the last topic. So we can able to copy and paste it to the PowerPoint and grab this. Copy and then go back to the PowerPoint and then paste. Okay. So this title we have to change to color red. Okay. Adjust it, make it 24. And the body text we have to justify and then we have to make it dark so we can read it clear and adjust. Okay, so I think it's done and so we can make sure na okay na talaga. We have to review our PowerPoint presentation. We have to review our what is the first topic and this I think this is okay na. And next wait, we have to adjust this 21, make it 21. No, 24. 21 lang talaga siya. 20 lang talaga siya. Okay, so okay, so I think it's good na. Okay, next we have to check this the step. I think we have to adjust it below. Okay, so alright, and then we have to okay, I think it's alright now. And then next, determining sales prospect. Okay, so next is preparing for sales dialogue. We have to adjust this. Ano na lang. Okay, I think it's also good to see. We have to review again. Strategic prospecting process, generating sales leads, determining sales prospect, prioritizing. Prioritizing. I think we have to adjust this. Oh, no, it's okay na. Okay, so next, preparing for sales dialogue. Okay, so I think it's okay. And we have to save this one because we are done. We are done na. So save. And that's it. And I hope you learned something from this video. For this not for this actually so clear tutorial, but I hope na meron kayong matutunan nito, and I hope that will serve this as your guide kung meron man kayong gagawing PowerPoint presentation para sa inyong reporting or more, and that's all. And